Create a new document of type price list. Assign a title to the document. A file name with a brief description of the project. Create a new entry by clicking on the Add Entry button. Type or paste the required data and click on the Add button. Access the item details to assign it to any previously defined chapters. Upload an image, video or audio files. Add other items to your price list also by acquiring data from other documents. Proceed to printing and get a preview that you can further customize. Download your printed version in the PDF format or send it to your printer for a paper copy.